Your headphones say connected, the song is moving, and somehow the room is completely silent. That feels like a broken Bluetooth connection, but it usually is not. Bluetooth can maintain a control link while the sound is routed somewhere else. Before you reset anything, follow the audio path. It is faster, safer, and much more likely to reveal the real problem. Think of Bluetooth audio as 5 separate handoffs. The app must play. The phone or computer must choose an output. The Bluetooth connection must carry the right audio service. The accessory must accept that service. And both ends must have usable volume. A green connected label proves only part of that chain. It does not prove that music reached the speakers. Start with the playback destination. Play a downloaded song or a familiar system sound. Then open the output selector. On iPhone, use the playback destination control on the lock screen or in Control Center. On Windows, open System, Sound, and confirm the Bluetooth device under Output. Android menus vary, but the media output panel should name the accessory you actually want. Now check volume on both ends. Media volume is often separate from call volume, alarm volume, and a physical volume stored by a speaker or car. Raise the phone or computer's media volume, then use the accessory's own buttons. Make sure the app is not muted, paused, or sending sound to a television, monitor, dock, hearing device, or another remembered output. If calls work, but music does not, inspect the audio service. Many Android phones expose a media audio switch inside the paired devices settings. Windows needs a stereo music service, such as A2DP, for normal playback. A headset can stay connected for calls or controls while its music path is unavailable. Enable media audio, choose the stereo output, and test again. Windows users should also check the format and app route. Microsoft recommends confirming the Bluetooth output and, when available, trying 2-channel, 16-bit, 48 kHz audio. An individual app can also remember a different output. Close and reopen the app after changing the system device, so it creates a fresh audio session instead of holding the old route. Next, remove competing devices from the test. Multipoint headphones can remember a phone and laptop at the same time. A notification, meeting app, television, tablet, or car may quietly take the active audio slot. Turn Bluetooth off on other nearby sources for 1 minute. If sound returns, adjust automatic switching or remove pairings you no longer use. If the route looks correct, refresh the session. Pause playback, disconnect the accessory, turn Bluetooth off for about 10 seconds, restart the accessory, turn Bluetooth back on, and reconnect. Then restart the phone or computer if needed. This clears temporary audio sessions without erasing saved Wi-Fi networks or every Bluetooth device, which is why it belongs before any large reset. Software is the next layer. Update the phone or computer, the accessory's firmware, and, on Windows, the Bluetooth and audio drivers from Windows Update or the computer maker. Test after each change. Updating everything at once may fix the symptom, but it hides the cause and makes the same failure much harder to diagnose next time. Only now should you remove the pairing. Forget the accessory on the source. Clear the old source from the accessory or car if it stores its own device list. Restart both sides and pair again while other remembered sources are turned off. Do not begin with a full network settings reset. That can erase useful Wi-Fi and Bluetooth data without fixing a simple output mistake. Finally, cross-test. Try a second Bluetooth audio device with the same phone. Then try the original headphones or speaker with a second source. If every accessory is silent on one source, investigate that source's routing or software. If one accessory is silent everywhere, investigate its battery, firmware, or hardware. Connected plus silent is not random. Follow the route, service, volume, session, software, then pairing.